Hey y'all, Worx guy here, and this is my new Worx Nitro lawnmower. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. I upgraded to this Worx lawnmower even though I've got my previous, which still works great. But just newer tech, more powerful. It seems like it'll have even better battery life. And I mean, it uses the same battery, so I've got a wider cutting pattern on this, so that means I can be more efficient, and being more efficient means less time required, and time is money, of course. So within this video, we're going to assemble it, and I'm going to do it step by step. I have not yet assembled this model Worx lawnmower, so we'll see, is it easy, is it challenging? I mean, we're going to do it step by step here. So I've got this, and then I've got this bag of components. I got a warranty card, which I will fill out. And now, let's go ahead and take this packing material off. There's a piece right there too. I'm going to leave that on for the time being. Now, let's see. That side's in there. And then this pulls out so you can position your handle how you want it. Looks like it's got 3 height adjustments. Now in this bag there's a couple of nuts. Okay, so there's a tool in it. And there's a few pieces here. So there's these 2 nuts. We're going to grab one nut for this side and finger tighten it first. And then we're going to grab the other nut for the opposite side. And finger tighten it first. And we can use the tool to tighten it the rest of the way. So as you can see, there's going to be minimal amount of assembly required. Okay, that looks good. I just pulled that out to make sure I didn't tighten this too much where I couldn't adjust that if I wanted to. Okay, so this feels good, both sides. I'm going to check this side just one more time. Okay, it's good. Probably a good idea to hold on to this tool just in case you ever want to tighten it in the future, or take it off for moving or something, transport. Bagging attachment I've got off camera. I'm not going to attach it because I'm not going to bag. Now, let's see. There's the side chute here. So there's this piece. And there's a hole pattern here because there's the 3 screws. So I gotta, let's see. Oh yeah, see there's hole, hole, hole. I'm going to match these holes. Okay, so the holes are matched up and I can see the screw holes. And there were 3 screws. Did not come with a Phillips head screwdriver, which is fine. You've probably got one. So I got my Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to put these 3 screws in here. There's the first one. Second one. Okay, and all 3 of those are tight, so here's this attachment. Now let's see how it attaches. Before we attach this, there are 2 of these, which are these little clips for your what would we call it, the wire. So just kind of position the wire, and these don't have a screw or anything. Position the wire and then snap that on the handle. And same with the second one that came through. And it's got a little cutout you'll see on the side of that for the wire, but see that was effortless. We can take off this protective handle piece now, packing material, I should say. Smells good and fresh. Okay, so that's packing material. Here's a little sticker right here that was on the front. Packing material. There's where the batteries go. No batteries in it, obviously. They're charging. And now we're going to attach the side chute. Obviously, if you were using the bagging attachment, I mean, it comes with a bagging attachment as well. You could attach this, but since I'm not bagging, I'm going to attach the chute. So I'm going to attach the chute. So it looks like, see the way I've got this, looks like it's going to go down. It shows in the manual. It's a little diagram's a little bit interesting to figure out, but I think I see what it's telling us. Doesn't look like there's any grooves in the bottom part. So see, that's kind of interesting, the side chute. Because in my older iteration, it's in the back, it went out the side. This goes out the rear and into the side, so that's kind of neat. Let's see. So there it is. I mean, it's, as you saw, it was easy to assemble. And like I said, expand this video's description and click the link there. And stay tuned, because this is just the unboxing video. And at the time of you watching this video, I may already have some review videos up. But this was just this was the assembly. Before this, I filmed the unboxing, and you know, I'm gonna, like I said, gonna be filming a review and all that. I'm lifting it up to see. Obviously there's no batteries in it. Yeah, the blade, at least with mine, the lawnmower blade's already attached. Feels stupid if you had to attach it and it wasn't already attached. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell, and check out all my other videos too. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order this model Worx lawnmower online. At the time of filming this, it's the current model. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Worx Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.